Infrastructure master planning is important to your community, and this video will illustrate how Commonwealth Engineers has helped communities see benefits from this type of planning. Many communities don't want to spend money on master plans and studies. They'd rather see their limited resources go directly to brick-and-mortar projects. While this may seem like an efficient use of funds, it often results in a more costly, reactionary approach. Today I want to share an example from one of our recent projects where the planning efforts showed a significant unknown vulnerability in the infrastructure that actually helped the community obtain funding for the project. This particular community had a lot of inflow and infiltration entering the system during wet weather. When it rains, wastewater flow increases to 10 times their normal levels. One of the problems found during the study was a cast iron pipe that had significant deterioration. The pipe was located in the middle of the sewer system, connecting the west side to the east side. The treatment plant is located on the east side, so failure of this line would mean half of the sewer system would have nowhere to go. Expensive bypass pumping would be needed until a repair could be made. But that is not the worst part. The line is located beneath a railroad located directly in the center of town, with trains traveling at speeds of 55 to 65 miles per hour. Commonwealth researched as-built plans, permits, and railroad records and could find no record of a casing pipe on the outside of the failing sewer. Therefore, if it failed, it could very likely impact the integrity of the railroad. We immediately expedited completion of the plan to apply for grant funds for the project. This particular grant was very competitive, but because they were able to show significant need, the project was awarded a $600,000 grant. The project was completed quickly, without service interruption or the need for extensive bypass pumping. Had the town not taken the steps to study the system and perform a master plan, this vulnerability would have remained unknown and could have an extremely expensive, catastrophic impact. The scope of a planning study can be tailored to meet the needs of your individual community, and there are multiple funding options available. The staff at Commonwealth is well versed in infrastructure assessment and planning. Please give us a call to discuss how we can help with your planning efforts and avoid costly emergency repairs.